In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the engagement rate on TikTok ads. Understanding the engagement rate is vital for marketers and content creators alike, as it serves as a key metric to gauge how well your content is performing on TikTok's bustling platform. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to unlock this valuable insight. First things first, we need to navigate to TikTok's advertising platform. So open your preferred web browser and visit the official TikTok ads homepage. You'll find yourself at the gateway to an array of analytics and marketing tools tailored for TikTok's unique ecosystem. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to input your credentials, type in your email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. Make sure you're entering the correct details to avoid any login issues. After entering your login details, click on the login button to access your account. You might be prompted to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This is a standard security measure to ensure you're not a robot. Complete the verification as instructed and click confirm to proceed. Next, for additional security, TikTok sends a code to your email as part of the two-factor authentication process. Check your email inbox for the code, and once you have it, go ahead and type it into the provided field on the TikTok ads page. Now that you're securely logged in, it's time to dive into the analytics section. Look for the analytics tab in your account dashboard. This section houses all the critical data about your ad performance on TikTok, including viewer engagement. Within analytics, you'll find an option labeled Video Insights. Click on this to access a more detailed analysis of how individual videos are performing in terms of engagement. This section is particularly helpful for a granular look at likes, comments, shares, and saves, a collective measure of user interaction with your content. Once you're in the Video Insights section, your next step is to locate the total engagement metrics. This figure represents the cumulative number of likes, comments, shares, and saves for a specific post or across a specified time period. It's the cornerstone of calculating your engagement rate, as it quantifies how much interaction your content is generating. Equally as important are the total videos and total views metrics. These figures give you an understanding of not just how many people are interacting with your content, but also how many are viewing it. Knowing both the interaction and viewership levels is essential for an accurate engagement rate calculation. Finally, to calculate the engagement rate, you'll need to do a bit of math. Take the total engagement number and divide it by the total views. Then, to convert this figure into a percentage, simply multiply by 100. This will give you the engagement rate of your TikTok ads, a critical metric indicating the percentage of viewers who are actively interacting with your content. Here are a couple of pro tips to maximize the utility of this calculation. Consistently track your engagement rate over time to identify trends, peaks, and troughs in user interaction. This can help inform your content strategy, allowing you to double down on what works and reevaluate what doesn't. Also, consider the engagement rate in context. Compare it across different campaigns, time periods, or even against industry benchmarks to gain a deeper understanding of your content's performance. Remember, the engagement rate is more than just a number. It's a lens through which you can view the effectiveness of your content, understand your audience's preferences, and refine your TikTok marketing strategy for better results. Keep experimenting with content types, posting times, and engagement tactics to see what resonates most with your audience and drives up your engagement rate. That wraps up our guide on how to calculate the engagement rate on TikTok ads. I hope this tutorial empowers you with the knowledge to analyze your TikTok campaign performance more effectively. Happy creating, and may your TikTok ads thrive in the bustling world of short-form video content.